How to post status on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, to post status on WhatsApp, open up your WhatsApp and go to updates on the left side. There, tap on add to my status and you can choose the photo or video that you want to post, and then you can edit it however you want. You can put text and also music. And after you've done that, you just have to tap on the green arrow button. But you can set whether you want to share the status with your contacts, or your contacts accept some people, or only share with. After you have set the who can see my status option, you can tap on the green option, and that's it. This is how your status will be posted on WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.